When you hear Grand Touring tires, you may immediately think about sedans. However, these tires aren't just for those vehicles anymore. Today's Grand Touring options fit sedans, CUVs, and SUVs, all with important characteristics like comfort, durability, and performance baked in. Let's talk about why, as the segment evolves, one Grand Touring tire trend is clear: versatility is driving trends in the segment. Your customers want tires that can do it all. They're looking for a confident highway ride, wet weather handling, and year-round traction. Heck, maybe even a touch of sporty response and handling. That's led tire makers to blur the lines between performance and Grand Touring categories. Manufacturers are designing Grand Touring options with advanced compounds, improved tread patterns, and technologies that reduce cabin noise and extend tread life, all in response to customers expecting the most out of their tires, regardless of the type. Noise control is something customers consider now more than ever, especially with the popularity of heavier vehicles like SUVs and EVs. In response, manufacturers are developing Grand Touring tires with multi-pitch tread patterns to help reduce the sound that reaches the cabin, especially at highway speeds. Durability is also an important customer consideration. Grand Touring tire technology nowadays helps evenly distribute pressure across the tread surface, maintaining uniform wear. As a tire dealer, it's up to you to understand these changes and know how to match customers with the right Grand Touring tire for the vehicle and driving style. Those who do will be best positioned to earn repeat business from customers who choose tires in this segment. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. See you next time.